Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you can make changes, unlock the phone, and ensure you know the PIN or admin credentials. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps. This view lists every installed package and system app. Make sure to use the search bar to find the app name quickly, then tap the app entry. This first step exposes the controls you need to uninstall updates instead of removing the whole app. Next, tap the app to open its app info screen where you see permissions, storage, and more. Then access the three-dot menu in the top right or the storage section to reveal the Uninstall Updates option. This reverts the app to the factory version the phone shipped with. You should confirm because this removes only updates and keeps your data unless the system warns otherwise. Make sure to check for any app restrictions that might block this action before proceeding. Finally, tap Uninstall Updates and confirm the action. The device will remove OTA or Play Store updates and keep the original factory app. After the process finishes, reboot the phone to let services reinitialize and ensure the app runs with the older version. If you don't see Uninstall Updates, try disabling the app temporarily, clearing the Play Store cache, or uninstalling Play Store updates instead. Then repeat the step. If problems persist, back up your app.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.